How to update latest Android version in mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about updating to the latest Android version of your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to ensure that you connect to Wi-Fi and also make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong, reliable, and stable. Now find the system update. For that, you need to open your system settings first. And from the search bar, simply type in System Update or Software Update and check for updates. If you see any updates available, you can go ahead and download and install them on your device. The update can take up to 5 to 15 minutes, so do not turn off your phone while it's installing. And make sure that your battery is at least 50% charged. And back up your important information before you update. Older phones might not get updates anymore. So check your phone's maker's website to see if the updates are still available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.